Hey guys, welcome back to Redbeard Survival and Outdoors. Today we're going to be talking about a 12 by 16 garden shed. Stick around. All right, so as some of you guys seen on some of the shorts that I've had, we took a 12 by 16 garden shed. We're going to convert it into a hunting slash SHFT cabin, completely off grid. I do have solar powered. I got an EcoFlow Mini and the River 2, which will run the lights and everything I needed to, as long as I needed to all night. I did happen to go get a Predator, which is sitting right here. I'm gonna have a video on that here shortly, but I wanna talk about this cabin. From here on out, it's gonna be called a cabin. Just for the simple fact that I'm gonna make a panoramic view. You can check out what we've done. So as you can see here, I have taken insulation board. I've boarded up every piece. Talk about the gables here in a minute. On the top, I have foamed in the cracks to make that airtight there. The only thing that's not going to be messed with is the door, just for the simple fact that I like that door like that. And look at that view. Beautiful view. So the reason I went with the sheets of insulation instead of the Pink Panther or whatever you want to call it, is for the simple fact that this, I feel, is going to be a lot better for out here. I did spray the insides. Everything is, as you can see from over here and everything, it is weatherproofed. It does have moisture barrier all over it. Now, the other thing that I want to talk about was what I did with the gables. So if you can see here, I put this gable in because this actually had trusses coming across here, all the way over. And I found out that, especially in a shed like this cabin now, that will be suffice enough to make sure the roof is stable enough to withhold everything we got going on. So if we have a big snow one year, which I would love to have that, but we haven't had it in many, many, many years, it's plenty enough to hold that up. I did wire everything in. Everything is to code. Bunch like that. I'm putting new switches in for the lights. As you can see, I'm gonna go back up. These things are neat. I have 3 of these little fans. So they're called a socket fan by bellohowell. The only bad part is when I got them, I ordered 2 off Amazon and then I bought 1 at Home Depot. Well, the one I got from Home Depot is $3,500, or the 2 I got from Home Depot, rewind, take 2. The 2 I got from Amazon were 3,500 lumen or Kelvin, and the one I got from Home Depot was 5,000. So the center is a different color than the other 2, but if you're in my cabin, it doesn't matter anyway. I'm actually gonna hardwire a panel over here because right now I just have a dimmer switch because I wasn't going to go with these at first. So I'm going to wire in 3 individual circuits for that so I can control what fan I have on, what lights I have on. That way I don't have to worry about all or nothing. The next step will be drywall. So we're going to drywall this whole thing. I do have a stove that I'm going to do a review on. I just got done burning it out because if you don't burn these stoves out from factory, they have oils on them. You want to get all that oil and stuff off. You don't want to bring a new stove in to an environment and then just start it. That's not what you want to do. But on the plus side is it's getting ready to go into summertime here in southern Ohio, northern Kentucky. So if you know anything about this area, it gets super hot, super humid. Got everything wired up. Over here is where we're going to have, turn you over here. I actually have that up here. That's a window right there. I just have it blocked off right now. But this whole side here is going to be the kitchen area. So got an outlet here, have an outlet here. Back here is going to be the other side. I'm going to have the AC unit over here. But what you can't see is I built see if I can grab you. So back here, it's not done yet. It's still a little bit of a mess because of everything going on. But I did build a wall this way. It's going to come out a foot on each side over here. And I'm building a little potty room. Yes, I said potty room. That will be for the kiddos and myself while I'm out here. So with that being said, hopefully you guys stick around. I'm going to call this series, everything I do out of this part is going to be the off-grid cabin series. This is going to start as of probably Friday. So stick around and hopefully you guys follow along. Like always, hit the like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Out.